Okay, this is a short little video on how to first put EquatiO on your Chromebook and then how to use it. First, do a Google search on EquatiO. It's like the word equation without the N. Go here, you'll see EquatiO Math Made Digital. Add the extension. Since I already have it, it says remove from Chrome, but I want you to add it to your Chromebook. And then once you have it, I want you to open up the Google form, how to use EquatiO on Google Forms. So what's going to happen is write an equation here that has at least one exponent. This little blue box with the Greek letter, you're going to click on that. Down here comes EquatiO. You have options. One of your options is to type your equation here, like 2x squared. You can type it like that, but it totally works. Or this one, the handwriting software. I can say y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. I wrote with my finger. Over here, the equation appears. Now I'm going to just insert that in. I now have my answer. I want you to write an equation. How to insert a graph. Okay. This is how to write an equation. This is how you could type it using this is your caret key when you want to exponent. If I want to make a graph, well, there's a graph of my equation. I can now insert this graph into Google Form. I still want to play with this. There is an option for speech input. You can play with that. I tried it and it wouldn't work, but maybe my machine's not set up properly. There's also a mobile version, and I don't know what this is for science class. Okay, that's everything you need to know about EquatiO.